reassigning string. So he's saying that updating the content of a string isn't easy as it is assigning it to a new string. You can observe that str equal to hello, but if they are trying to update capital H with the small h, and I will again remember you in a Python programming language, there is a difference between small case character and uppercase character. So capital H is different from small case h. Okay, so he's saying updating the content of a string isn't easy as assigning it to a new string. The string object does not support item assignment. The the string object does not support item assignment mean assignment is not basically applied on a string variable. You can't do any updation in a string. A string can only be replaced with new string since its content cannot be partially replaced. That means you can't modify. You can completely change. For example, if the name of one student is uh, Ravi, then I can't change from Ravi to with another character. For example, I want to change RAVI to KAVI. Okay. Or for example, this is a hello. I want to replace H with another character A. Is that possible? The answer is no. Partially updation is not possible. But can I store another new string, for example, welcome on the place of str? The answer is yes. So actually updation in a particular string is not allowed, and this special property is called immutable. So string are immutable in Python. Always remember this point.